What if I told you that every time someone clicks a link in your Facebook post, your tweet, or your Instagram bio, you could be earning money? Not from sponsorships, not from affiliate commissions, just from the click itself. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. We're talking about Monetag, one of the most established traffic monetization platforms online right now, and specifically how to use their SmartLink to turn your social media traffic into real cash. Whether you have a Facebook page, a Twitter/X account, a blog, or even a Pinterest, this is going to be super relevant for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up step by step. So first, let's talk about what Monetag actually is. Monetag is a global advertising platform that helps publishers grow their business by connecting them with thousands of advertisers from around the world. The company has been in the industry for many years and works with traffic from virtually every country on the planet. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard of Google AdSense, so why would I use this? Great question. Here's the key difference. First, when you open the Monetag dashboard, you'll see sections such as ad formats, solutions, referral program, and blog. Under ad formats, you'll find SmartLink, pop under, push notifications, vignette banner, and in-page push. Under solutions, you'll find Telegram apps and bots, social traffic, multi-tag, RTB, and in-app. The referral program allows you to invite friends and earn rewards. Lastly, the blog section includes categories such as our stories, SEO, tutorials, trends, case studies, and reviews. Another major advantage is that no website is required, and there's no approval process for each campaign. You simply use one link and it works globally. Here's why Monetag stands out, especially if you're working with social media traffic. Number 1, competitive payouts. Monetag has some of the most competitive CPM rates in the industry. Real publishers have reported earning thousands of dollars per month. I'll show you some real examples in a moment. Number 2, global coverage. It doesn't matter if your audience is from the US, Southeast Asia, Latin America, or Africa. Monetag has ads offers for users from any GEO. Number 3, fast payouts starting from just $5. That's incredibly low for an ad network. You don't need to wait until you hit $100 like other platforms. And number 4, 24/7 support. If something goes wrong or you have questions, their team is available around the clock. These aren't just claims. Monetag has published case studies of publishers earning over $21,000 and even $41,000 using SmartLinks purely from social media traffic. I'll link some of those in the description below. Alright, let's get into the actual setup. The first thing you need to do is register on Monetag. Just tap Start Earning. To go to publishers.monetag.com/sign up, I'll put the link in the description. The registration form is pretty straightforward. Just fill in your name, email, and create a password. One important thing, make sure you use your real information here, your real name and real payment details. This is critical because when it's time to withdraw your earnings, Monetag will verify your identity. If you use fake data, you won't be able to get paid. So don't skip this. Once you confirm your email, you're in. It usually gets approved quickly, so let's move on to what the dashboard looks like. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Monetag dashboard where you can access statistics, websites, Telegram mini apps, direct link, payments, insights, referral program, priority program, and the help center. Let me give you a quick tour of the dashboard. There are 4 main sections you need to know. First, direct link. This is where you grab your SmartLink URL. This is the link you'll be placing everywhere. Just copy it, we'll use it in a second. Second, statistics at publishers.monetag.com/statistics. This is your earnings hub, where you can view your CPM rates, total impressions, and total earnings, all broken down by day, country, and traffic source. Third, payments at publishers.monetag.com/earnings. Here, you can see your available balance and set up your payout method. They support PayPal, crypto wallets, and more. Plus, payouts start at just $5. And fourth, the referral program at publishers.monetag.com/referral program. If you share your referral link and another publisher signs up through it, you'll earn a 5% commission on their lifetime earnings. That's passive income on top of what you're already making. Now here's the part that really matters. How do you actually use this smart link to make money? You've got your direct link from the dashboard. You can add as many as you can. Here are the 3 main ways to deploy it. Method 1. Add it to a Facebook or Twitter/X post. The idea is simple. You write a post about something interesting or trending, a viral topic, a celebrity, a news story, a football match, whatever your audience engages with. Inside that post, I write the example. Post. Passive income isn't about doing nothing anymore. Smart creators are using AI, automation, and digital delegation to build systems that work 24/7. This breakdown explains how they're scaling online faster. Check it out here. Copy your SmartLink URL, then add to your post, then click Post. Method 2. Create a simple article or landing page. Write a short article on a blog or even a free platform like Blogger or WordPress. I use Blogger inside the article. Create a new post, then add the title. Add post inside the Blogger button or text link with your smart link. You can also add the image, then after that you can publish your post, then share that article link on your social media. This gives you a buffer page, it looks more professional, and the click-through rate is often higher. Method 3. Put it in your bio or profile link. If you have an Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, or YouTube account with any following at all, put your smart link in the bio. Every time someone visits your profile and clicks, you earn. Now, I want to give you some context on what's actually possible here. Monetag has published real case studies from their publishers. One publisher from Vietnam used Twitter/X traffic with a smart link and earned over $41,000 total, with single months crossing $6,000. Another publisher using APK traffic hit $29,000 plus in 3 months, with their biggest spike coming from posts about trending viral topics. These aren't overnight results. These took consistency, but the model is proven. The link does the heavy lifting once you've built your traffic flow. If you have any kind of social media following, even a small one, Monetag Smartlink is one of the easiest ways to start monetizing it today. There's no complex setup, no waiting for approval on every ad campaign. Just register, grab your link, and start driving traffic. I've linked the registration page directly in the description below. Try it for free and let me know in the comments how it goes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more monetization tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.